Everyone, my name is Dot and I'm going to show you how you can quickly create notes from websites and PDFs. So let's imagine that I'm looking for a particular journal and I'm going to look for uveitis treatment. And I would like to actually save content from this particular journal article that I found on PubMed. So I'm going to open up the journal article, and what happens is that you can see now that the website actually opens within the app. And what is cool about BotMD is I can actually directly save text content straight from this website by highlighting it and tapping Save to Note. And that allows me to either create a new note or update an existing note. So if I were to create a new note, I can now actually tag this note. So I'm going to call it uveitis. And I'm going to call it journal. And what that does is that it previews the note that you have. It has the source URL for you, so you can always go back to this particular website really easily. So I'm going to save that, and that automatically gets saved in your library. So if I go to my library, I'm going to see the note that I just created. It's got the link there, so it makes it really easy for you to actually access this particular note again. You can do this as well, obviously, with selecting text directly from a PDF. So if I were to go into a PDF, and I'm just going to use this as an example, and I want to save text from this particular PDF, I just have to highlight it, go Save to Note, and I'm going to update an existing note. So I can actually update, for example, the note that I just created, and it will automatically show up at the bottom of that existing note. I press check to save, and that updates the note directly in the library. So this is a really quick way for you guys to be able to save content from websites and PDFs straight in BotMD into new notes.